You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So for the next lab, I'll just be creating one OU and a couple of users to make sure that I have the user mailboxes ready to import when I set up my Exchange server. So I'll click on Tools, click on Active Directory Users and Computers from the Server Manager. Right click netsoftakademy.com, click on New Organizational Unit. This one will be called Montreal. Okay, now under Montreal, I'll create two users, Tom Hanks and Daniel Craig. Okay, so right click Montreal, New, User, Tom Hanks, username thanks. Well, I know it sounds like a very bad pun. It is a very bad pun, but still it's funny. Password 1350, password 1350. Password never expires, next and finish. And one more user, Daniel Craig, new user, Daniel Craig, D Craig, password 1350, password 1350. Password never expires, next and finish. And that is the end of this lab here. So in the next lab onwards, we'll be starting with the prerequisite installations and all those things, environment preparation and all the necessary aspects required to ensure Exchange can install properly. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lab.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.